All right, so there are tons of really cool features in the Galaxy S10 line, but there's one feature no one is really talking about. I mean, no one. There are a few videos out there, maybe one from yours truly, but no one is really talking about how cool and effective this feature is. So the Galaxy S10 line has a ton of features, and you're thinking, what could be it? I mean, it could be the display. That dynamic AMOLED display is sick. It is absolutely ridiculous. Nothing like it is on the market. Nothing looks as good on the market. I mean, the new front-facing camera, the punch hole, recorded in 4K. Again, it's kind of like an industry, at least first, if you will. Power share, that's also a cool feature. The fact that it's still got a headphone jack, yes, and a 32-bit DAC so you can plug your headphones in. That to me is amazing. It's amazing we still have that in a sense. But the feature I'm talking about really is super steady on the Galaxy S10. This is the ability to record video at 1080p, yes, it's not 4K, but 1080p, and have basically super steady while doing action shots. So while you are running or while you are, doing different fast activities, the camera will not shake. It is unbelievable how cool this is. I did a video on this. You guys saw I compared it with the iPhone XS and XS Max, sorry, which I have, and it looked absolutely amazing. But the thing about it is how solid it really is. Now I've got this video where I'm holding my 10e in my right hand, and I'm holding my 10 Plus in my left hand, and I'm running around in circles. And you can see with the 10e video, the video looks steady, but my hand looks like it's shaking left around, like I've got like, some kind of like crazy left arm like shaking all over the place. But what's funny about that is when you look at the 10 Plus video, which is in portrait mode, it looks really steady. It looks really steady. But you go back and you see my hand scan flaring around left and right. It's insane how steady it is and how it works. It is so good. I mean, it really captures the essence of what you can do now. Some people might say it's not necessary, but I can show you different situations where that works. For instance, my buddy Marion Sell was riding his bicycle and he was recording with a steady shot. You can see how smooth that was. Again, no shakiness, no weird jitteriness at all, and that's something you would get from an action camera like the GoPro. So that's really cool. And also a really nice video element is when he went skiing with this. Now this was cool because, now think about it, when you go skiing or you do any kind of sports like that, you're thinking, I gotta get a GoPro. If you don't want to spend the money, you already have the Galaxy S10 device, S10, S10e, S10 Plus. They're all water resistant, dust resistant. You can take with you up the mountain and ski down, and just going down the slopes. Look at how steady that video looks. It is insane. That's what I call the most important feature on the Galaxy S10 line, because it allows you to go out and do the things you want to do. It kind of follows the whole monkey of do what you can't. The fact that you can take your phone and record stuff that you really couldn't do before, that makes a whole lot of sense. The other really cool features on this device, the in-display fingerprint sensor is really nice. It works well for me. The other camera features are really good. But this is something that you can really just pull out and enjoy. You've got family, you've got friends, you're watching sports. You want to just capture the things you want to capture. Super steady, does it best. Anyway guys, I think that is the best feature in the Galaxy S10 line with the S10 Plus, 10 and 10e. If you disagree with me, let me know. But if you think this is really solid, leave your thoughts down below, and also leave your thoughts on what you think Samsung can do to improve it. My first thing is, look, let's have this in 4K, maybe for the Note 10. That would be cool. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with this last shot of Marion going down the hill and basically wiping someone out while recording and still staying steady. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, hit the notification icon to get notified with our latest video. It's Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy your entertainment.